Virginia has issued a tornado warning for East Central Madison County in northwestern Virginia, South Central Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, West Central Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 12:15 p.m. At 11:41 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Madison, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. At 11:41 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Madison, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Madison, south central Rappahannock, and west central Culpeper counties, including the following locations: Raymond, Leon, Lake Mills, Brightwood, Boston, and Cordova. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The flood watch continues from the Pecker Creek near Martinsburg.
Number 482, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties.
To those caught without shelter, damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. To roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree 7.5 feet, portions of the Seneca Creek will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Madison, South Rappahannock, and
The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Service has issued Tornado Watch number 482, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland: Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, Prince George's, and St. Mary's, and the following counties in Virginia: Arlington, Culpeper, Fairfax, Fauquier, King George, Loudoun, Orange, Prince William, Rappahannock, Spotsylvania, and Stafford, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, Fredericksburg, Manassas Park, and Manassas, and the following: Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Eastern Bay, Choptank River, Pawtuxet River, and coastal waters from Fenwick Island to Chico T, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Watch number 482, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties.
This is a statement from the National... This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Virginia: Page, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Central Page County in northwestern Virginia, Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, western Warren County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 12:31 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area.
At 12:31 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. 3 engaged on Smith Creek and New Market indicated minor flooding is ongoing, with a number of additional gauges in the area depicting rising water levels. Some locations that will experience flooding include Southford, Woodstock, Luray, Broadway, Timberville, Mount Jackson, Buckeye Bright Mountain, New Market, Buckeye, Edinburgh, Morristown, Toms Brook, Town, Kings Crossing, Harmony, Shenandoah Caverns, St. David's Church, Hamburg, Quicksburg, Mount Clifton. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for Central Caroline County in north central Virginia, northwestern Essex County in east central Virginia until 1:15 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Milford, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Flying at 30 miles per hour, it was caught without shelter. Tornado. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
On track with
Damage
weekly
to
in.
roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Fort 18. Till around 1 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rappahannock Academy, Supply, Sparta, Central Point, Fanola, and Burrs Corner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Twitter at Wakefield.
Will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
12:54, finally up to Kimmages at about 12:58, and then over toward Barnett's at about 1:02, and that then takes it in toward Rockford. It holds together, and if it does, that's one of the things we...
Central Point, Fanola, and Burrs Corner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.